Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the compressor safe. Shut it off, unplug it, and bleed the tank until the gauge reads 0. Once done, run the motor briefly to warm the oil for easier flow, then place a 1 QT drain pan beneath the drain plug. Make sure to remove the oil fill cap so air can enter. This allows oil to drain faster. You'll use a wrench to loosen the drain. Keep rags handy to catch drips and protect paint or floors. You open the drain plug and let the oil flow until you see a slow, steady trickle. This indicates most oil is out. While it drains, inspect the oil's color and look for metal flakes. Those indicate wear. Remove and wipe any magnetic plug or sump magnet. Metal particles cling there, and cleaning improves longevity. Measure how much oil came out versus the spec so you'll know how much to add. If oil smells burnt or contains debris, prepare to change filters or service further. You refill using the manufacturer's specified oil type and exact volume. Pour slowly with a funnel and reinstall the fill cap finger tight. Once done, start the compressor for 1 to 2 minutes to circulate oil, then shut it down and recheck the level. Top off to the sight glass or dipstick mark. Inspect around the drain and fittings for leaks and tighten if needed. If the unit won't build pressure or you see persistent leaks, check seals, O-rings, and hose.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.